What's up, guys? Coming here from into the fucking car, bitch. Today's a special day. I'm so fucking happy with that fucking chips in my fucking car. Smells fucking good. But today I got my fucking fish, and it was not what I thought it was. It was fucking small. I'm fucking telling you, it was fucking small. It's so fucking small. I fucking swear my dick is fucking bigger than it, and my fucking dick is fucking small. Fuck. But so you guys probably wondering what fish is about. I bought golden cloud minnows, white cloud minnows, and Chinese alligator. I also bought a fucking feeder shrimp. They put it in a fucking net. I don't know if the fucking things like fucking eggs or what. I'm gonna put them in my tank at home. So fucking please keep watching. It's gonna be fucking good. It's the first. I fucking thought it was bigger. I'm telling you. Like, I knew that my nose would be small, but the alligator is almost the same size as the minnows. I mean, literally. So my tank at home, I wanted to make it a predator tank. Well, I don't think that will happen now. But I saw an eel, freshwater eel, for sale. If you guys want me to buy it, like and fucking subscribe, then I will do it. Okay? So let's cut to the chase. So today is Saturday. I got my fish Tuesday. That fucking tiny fish. Well, the ordinary tank, so we'll not do an unboxing video. Maybe next time. But let's go. White cloud minnows typically reach their full adult size around 1.5 inches. That's 4 centimeters. Holy shit. And in length within 6 to 12 months. There will be an awesome fucking fish in my tank. They grow quickly in the first few weeks, becoming large enough for live baby brine shrimp in about 40 days. After that, growth slows as they mature into adults over the next few months. Golden cloud minnows are typically reach their full length in about 1.5 inches, 4 centimeters, about the same as a white cloud minnow. Also within a few months of hatching. They grow relatively quick, reaching maturity. That means they can wiggle a bit in about 6 months to 1 year. And that's fucking quick. They look beautiful, and I'm happy with it, but shit, it's tiny as shit. I want a monster. Chinese alligator, also known as Gyronchililis amurianina, can grow relatively quickly, reaching a size of 5 to 6 inches. That's 12 to 15 centimeters within a year. Holy shit. And potentially can go up to 11 inches, 28 centimeters, almost the length of a ruler. When they are fully grown, holy shit. Though they often remain smaller in aquariums, their growth rate and ultimate size can vary depending on the factors like tank size, water quality and diet. In my tank, it's a 110 liter tank which is relatively big for a Chinese alligator, and it's so small now, but it will grow gigantic in my tank. Depending on what it eats, but there's lots of algae and also what the fuck did I want to say? I forgot. There's not lots of fish. The initial growth rate is freaking quickly. Only in a few months it can reach a lot of inches. One thing that makes me scared about it is that it can get really tutorial. What did I say? Tutorial? No! Territorial. Yeah, territorial. Which means it can fuck around with my nose if it wants to. But he's still small now, so yeah. And let's go to the last thing, my feeder shrimp. I initially bought it for the algae eater. I wanted to feed him, but when I saw it, it was the first feeder shrimp I ever saw in my life, and it's fucking cool. I mean, it has this fin like a fish and tiny legs that it used to swim. It's fucking amazing. So now I'm gonna keep it as my personal pet. The feeder shrimp, also known as ghost shrimp, typically take a few weeks to grow, depending on the tank size and the temperature. So here we are. There's my alligator. I put him in a tank of water, but it doesn't look like he made it. This is my shrimp tank. But I'm gonna put my shrimp off my nose now. Here is the white cloud minnow swimming over here. There is white cloud. That's one, I bought 3. Here are golden and white. So guys, I've just went to my tank, my algae eater, which was my most prized possession. It looks like he didn't make it. If you're asking why, it's because he got cold. It's fucking winter. And that's that. I'm fucking bad luck. That's the thing about fish. You have a 50% chance of it surviving. So next time I'm gonna buy another.